Namaskar. Miracle of biochemic medicine, that is Barakshar. In support of now it is time to think about homeopathy, part 5. There is also a pathy known as Barakshar, that is biochemic medicines. In this pathy, only 12 salts used as medicine. It is said that if any one salt deficiency occurs in body, the particular disease arises in body. Composition of mixed biochemic medicines can be used in critical cases. These medicines are completely safe and result oriented. Composition of mixed medicine is in equal proportion of each medicine. Grind it to powder and take 1/2 cup of warm water. Dose is 1 grain or 3 to 4 tablets as per requirement. I have a book of English author, doctor, who prepare biochemic medicine formulas by his own experience in 1917 and use it in practice successfully for 54 years in his life. From his book, I read here the formula of pneumonia. Pneumonia is a very serious disease. There is a high fever in it. Short, dry cough with scanty tenacious expectoration. At first, it is white and fourthly, and in later period, it become rusty or streaked with blood, and the lungs are inflamed. Much pain in the chest while coughing. In favorable cases, on the 5th and 7th day, there is a sudden fall in temperature and free perspiration, and in unfavorable cases, on 4th and 5th day, breathing become more frequent and difficult, with pulse quicker and the skin hotter, and delirium comes in, which is followed by death. The following homeo formula never fails. Give 1 pill of 1 grain of Bryonia 6 alternately with 1 pill of phosphorus 6 at every 2 hours, and if relief get, the interval of time should be increased. And the mixture of CP3X, FB12X, KM3X, KP3X, KS3X, MP3X, NM3X, NP3X, NS3X, all these biochemic medicines, grind it in equal proportion and give 1 grain dose every 2 hours with warm water. Here one Ayurvedic formula also given. Take 1 clove and put in half liter of water. Boil it for 10 minutes. Give 25 ml 3 times daily. And for local application, take 4 ounces of turpentine oil, 2 ounces of mustard oil, and put in it opium 1/2 gram and shake the mixture well. Put it in airtight bottle. It should be rubbed on chest in closed room. It is very useful in pneumonia and bronchitis. It is not taken for internally. Please use all medicine by consulting your doctor. धन्यवाद. Thanks.